time finds a baby praying to heaven, lonely for his mother who is up there. Through the window pane he sees an aeroplane, then lifts his little head and cries in prayer. Mr. Aeroplane Man, take me up to heaven, help me out if you can, take me up with you. I want to fly so high to the sky, please don't tell me no, my mama's waiting there, way up there, my daddy told me so, Mr. Aeroplane Man. Since she's with the angels, can't you please understand just why I'm blue? Won't you come and take this weeping willow, lay me down on Mama's pillow? Mr. Aeroplane Man, take me with you. Mr. Aeroplane Man, Mama's with the angels, can't you please understand just why I'm blue? Won't you come and take this weeping willow, lay me down on Mama's pillow? Mr. Aeroplane Man, take me with you. Now I lay me down to sleep, I pray the Lord my soul to keep. If I should die before I wake, I pray the Lord my soul to take. Oh God, you must have lots of others, please don't take away our mother. Give her back to us, please.